Expressing views on the Ishrat Jahan murder case, Congress leader Manish Tiwari said that the fundamental question is that why the higher echelons of the government are trying to subvert the court-monitored investigation into a fake encounter case. Tiwari added that what the NDA government is trying to do is completely unprecedented, as they are using serving and retired officers to subvert the investigation carried out by these aegis or specializing investigation team in Gujarat High Court.
The fundamental question is, why are the highest echelons of the Indian state trying to subvert a court-monitored investigation? Is it because they are trying to help the accused, or is it because they are under pressure from the accused that if at all the trial is allowed to go ahead, then they not only they will go down, but they will take everybody down. As they say in Hindi, फिर सनम हम ही नहीं डूबेंगे तुमको भी लेके डूबेंगे. So therefore this is absolutely unprecedented. This is something which has never ever happened, because in the Ishrat Jahan case, first there was a metropolitan magistrate who held that it was a fake encounter. Then a special investigating team under the aegis of the Gujarat High Court held that it was a fake encounter. Then a CBI investigation held that it was a fake encounter. And now the entire might of the government has been deployed to discredit that court-monitored investigation. Question is why? Who in the government is scared? What are they scared of? Who is pressurizing them? What is the pressure? Is the pressure that if at all the trial goes ahead, the truth and the whole truth and the entire truth will come out, which would be very embarrassing for some people placed very high in this government? Well, Mr. Mani should have gone to the National Human Rights Commission. Mr. Mani should have gone to the court. Mr. Mani should have gone to the court if at all he was tortured, because no law allows torture. At that point in time, he should have gone, he should have complained that he is being tortured. So therefore, 3 years later, suddenly Mr. Mani decides to go public. And anybody who has a nodding acquaintance with the manner in which government functions knows that an undersecretary is an undersecretary and is nothing more than an.
Powered by NNIS.